welcome to Bistro Dora's channel. Let's remove this annoying hair and get ready with micellar cleansing water, VEET waxing strips, also cotton pads, or you can also use powder or baby powder. It will take only 5 minutes. Start by pulling micellar cleansing water on the cotton and clean your legs. This part is very important because once you take out your hair of the hair follicle, it will be very dangerous, so bacteria can go into these openings. Once the legs get dry from the micellar cleansing water, apply the waxing strips. First, warm it up. Separate both strips. And apply to the direction of the hair growth and pull against the hair growth. Use scissors to cut the strip into 2 halves, it will be easier for you. And use the strips until they are not sticky anymore. This one is not sticky anymore, so I will leave it inside and use another one. For this part here, it's a little bit difficult with the big strip, so I will cut it in 2 halves. And it's a lot easier to apply it. The key for a painless waxing is to do it fast and pull the strip at once. Prepare yourself from the beginning and keep going with the waxing as your skin routine. Wait for the hair to grow up to 10 mm or just enough to match to pull it from the root. As soon as you finish with the waxing, take the wipes from the VEET box and clean your legs to remove all the glue left from the strips. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much, see you next time, bye!